Calculus basis. In this video, I'll be revealing to you the simplest calculus in the world using direct substitution. We have 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 2, and this x approaches 1. So using direct substitution, this will be written as the limit of x approaches 1, 2x plus 1 divided by the limit of x approaches 1, x plus 1. So this can be written as, anywhere we see x, we put what? 1. This is that x approaches what? 1. So anywhere I see x, I'll put 1. So I'm going to write this, the limit x approaches 1, 2 into bracket. So anywhere I see x, I put 1. So this x I put 1 now, into bracket 1 plus 1 divided by the limit of x approaches 1. We have it to be into bracket 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1. So from there, this will give us the limit x approaches 1. 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. 2 times 1 plus 1 divided by the limit of x approaches 1, and that is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So our final answer, 2 times 1 is what? 2, plus 1 is what? Is 3. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So our answer for that is what?